Every beat begins a story. Every rhythm carries life. And at the center of it all is the heart. Control the heart, lead the world. The heart, relentless, resilient, remarkably complex. To understand it is science, to protect it is duty, but to control it is leadership. Controlling the heart is not about dominance, it's about mastery. A mastery shaped by decades of research, collaboration, and innovation. Where prevention becomes principle and precision becomes the new standard of care. Cardiovascular medicine is evolving, faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. When we lead in cardiology, we don't just improve outcomes, we shape futures. We build healthier nations. This is more than medicine. This is life in motion. This is the power of cardiovascular leadership. Powered by knowledge, driven by compassion. Welcome to the 36th Annual Conference of the Saudi Heart Association, where minds unite, knowledge advances, and leadership begins at the heart. Control the heart, lead the world.